In this video, I'll show you how to install the VESA mount adapter for the AOC i2279vwhe. First, lay your monitor down on a soft, flat surface, and make sure to tip the mounting arm all the way back. Remove the flat base from the mounting arm. Remove the single screw next to the VGA port. Use a soft, flat object to split the case open. I prefer thick guitar picks. Start near the VGA port. Insert the guitar pick firmly until the clamshell splits. You'll hear a distinct click when the top half separates from the bottom half. Run the guitar pick down the length of the case. Sometimes a levering motion can be very helpful here. Turn the corner and continue splitting up the sides of the case. Once the sides are split, the back panel can simply be pulled off. The actual panel and electronics board can be set aside. We don't need them for this installation. We're interested in the back panel only. These two screws must be removed to install the new mounting adapter. With the screws removed, make sure the arm is tipped up fully. Once tipped up fully, the arm can then be pulled out of the socket. There are two sizes of mounting adapters. The 100mm version includes 100mm and 75mm holes. The smaller version includes only 75mm holes. Both work just as well, as this monitor is quite light. Insert the stem of the adapter into the socket left by the stock mounting arm. Replace the two screws from the stock mounting arm. This will pull the adapter firmly into the socket. With the adapter plate attached, we're ready to reassemble the monitor. Simply align the top and bottom pieces and push all the snaps back into place. Make sure all snaps are secured, or the back panel could come off during operation. Replace the screw we removed earlier. Your monitor is now ready to mount on a 75 or 100mm mount. Thanks for watching.